Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to Insights by Hamid. Alhamdulillah, we're in the month of Ramadan. So I would like to wish you all Ramadan Mubarak. You know, we're in this blessed month and we cannot afford to fall sick and miss out on those acts of worship that we should be doing in this month. Which is why I am bringing you guys 5 simple but effective measures that you can take to keep yourself protected and your family against coronavirus. Yep, just these 5 simple but effective measures can keep you protected from coronavirus. And they are: number 1, staying home. Yep, that's right guys, staying home is very important, because when you are staying home, you are not just protecting yourself, but at the same time you're protecting your loved ones as well. When you go outside, you are most likely to catch the disease and bring it back home and infect others. So this is why staying home is very important. Now let's say it's an emergency and you have to go outside. How do you go outside? Well, take your safety measures. Wear a mask if you have. If you don't have that, wear a surgical mask. You don't even have that, wear a piece of cloth around your face. Then wear gloves. If you have gloves, that's good. If you don't have, it's okay. Carry a sanitizer with you. And when you are outside, maintain safe distance. There should be at least 6 feet of distance between you and the other person. And when you have to sneeze or cough, cough in between your elbows like this. When you are outside, do not touch your face, your eyes, your nose. Do not touch your face at all. Avoid touching your face. So when you go back home, take precautionary measure number 2, which is wash your hands properly. If you think you're washing your hands properly, think again. I have made a video on how to wash your hands properly and the link is in the description below, or you can click the card above and check out how to wash your hands properly. Washing hands is very important when you come back from outside. Once you're done washing hands, remove your clothes and put it to wash and take a hot shower. Remember, personal hygiene is very important to combat coronavirus. Now once you're done showering, go take precautionary measure number 3. Oh, so you guys are here. So you are done showering now. So as soon as you're done showering, you have to go do precautionary measure number 3, which is gargling. And I'm doing it right now. So to gargle, you just need 1 cup of hot or warm water, and you need 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it together and start gargling. And when you're done gargling, go do step number 4, which is... Alright, once you are done gargling, go and take steam. Now inhaling steam and gargling is important. Why? Because experts, they say that if you happen to catch the virus, it stays in the passage of your nose and your throat for about 3 to 4 hours. So inhaling steam and gargling will help you combat the virus while it's in your throat and in your nose. Once you start getting sore throat and you will get the runny nose, these are the 2 symptoms of the virus. So it's really important that you start taking precautions before the case gets too serious. So to prepare the water for inhaling steam, you just need to boil the water, and once the water starts boiling, add a little bit of Vicks or Tiger Balm into the water so that you change the pH level of the water and start inhaling. So the precautionary measure number 5 is a drink, which is ginger, honey, black seed, lemon drink. Now we know that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is reported to have said that black seed has cure for every illness except death. Right? So why don't we make use of this black seed and use it in our drink daily and stay protected from coronavirus? So to make this drink, it's simple. You need a piece of ginger, lemon is optional, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of black seed, and some hot water. So these were the 5 simple but effective measures that you can take from your home and keep yourself protected against coronavirus. Well, now we all can say, go Corona! Go Corona! Anyways guys, jokes aside, As you all know that this coronavirus cases are not stopping, more and more number of COVID-19 cases are being reported in most parts of the world. Remember guys, this virus is not strong. We all can fight against it. We all can defeat it together. So we need each other's help in flattening the curve. Remember, we are in the month of Ramadan and we cannot afford to fall sick and miss out on those important acts of worship. So that is why it is important to spread the word and let everyone know about these 5 precautionary measures that they can also do to protect themselves against COVID-19. Remember, as I said earlier, we all can defeat this virus if we all act together in flattening the curve. So this is one way how you can flatten the curve. So share this video on your Facebook, share it on your Instagram, on your WhatsApp, share with everyone you know, and spread the word. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button. Share your thoughts with me in the comment section below. Whatever you have, any question, any ideas, any suggestions, just put it down in the comment section. I would also like to give a shout out to Ali Yemen for asking that important question about the symptoms of coronavirus. So shout out to you, Ali. Thank you so much for being part of Insights by Hamid. If you want to be notified about my future videos, please click on that subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon. Remember, be smart, stay home, stay safe, check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.